Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to download and install Telegram in your Windows 10 or 11. So search Telegram in Windows. Now here select Telegram desktop. Click on Get Telegram for Windows. Click on Save. Now wait for a few seconds till this downloading process will complete. Once you see downloading complete, double click on it. Select your language. Then click on OK. Now click on Next. Click on Next, Next, and Install. Then click on Finish. Now click on Start Messaging. Welcome to the official Telegram desktop app. It's fast and secure. To log in your Telegram account, scan from mobile Telegram. Open Telegram on your phone. Go to Settings, Devices, Link Desktop. Scan this image to log in. So this way you can download and install Telegram on your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.